Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mac Animation. Today, we will make like this. Let's start. First of all, take new composition and make it with, I think so, it's 1920 by 1080. You can select this preset like HDTV and 1024. You can make your own presets here, whatever you want. Okay. In which you are working, like if you are working with for some kind of YouTube videos, so you can select this. It's a good, and you can select these three formats. And if you're working with like TV screen, so you can work here like PAL TV1. Okay. And if you're working other than Pakistan, so you can use these NT SE. It's actually a committee, and make a duration, just a duration, like make it 10 seconds long. I think it's enough for now, and it's hit OK. So this is our timeline. Make new solid. You can use shortcut Control Y and make like this. Like I have made element. Rename it with element and make it comp size. Hit OK and select this and hit Control plus spacebar. So FX console will open. And if you don't have FX console, you can download it from Video Copilot site. It's free, and select it element and element apply on this layer. You can see here this element. And if you don't have FS console, and you can select this layer and go effect and here Video Copilot and select this element. Okay. Select it and go for scene setup, and we will make here our scene. First of all, go for this sound music pack. Here you have these instruments here, and if you don't have this music pack, you can download it. I'm giving you link in description. You can download this music pack and just install it. After that, you can see all these models here. You can adjust your custom models here, which model wherever you want to adjust. First of all, like select first of all, make some ground, so create some plane, and just to set plane I have need, and just scale it up. Okay. So if you hold shift, and then you can scale it on very easily. Okay. You can give it some uh, like concrete, and here you can make any ground here, whichever you want. Okay. It's more fine. No, it's more fine. Okay. So our ground is ready. So just place your these models in which direction you want and wherever you want here. Okay, like I'm selecting first of all this drum pack, and just adjust it here, and a little bit here, like, and just press E and little bit rotate it. Press W, make it a here. It's more fine now. So you can scale down if you want. So select it, and here you can see the normalized size. When I'm pressing this, its scale is up, so you have to always switch it on for normalized size. Okay. In some different cases, you have to adjust it more if you want. For now, I think it's fine, and it's on ground. It's fine. Now select some other models, and I'm selecting uh, this model. So adjust it. It's fine. Normalize size and little bit here. Press E for rotation tool, and press W again to adjust its position. Okay, just it here. It's fine here. Okay, so now you can select more models here. Like it's fine. You can adjust it here. Okay, like normalize size. And I unselected this for to reduce the scale of this object, and it's fine. Adjust it here. Adjust it here. It's fine. Press E for rotation tool. It's more fine. Or press W for moving tool. Fine. Little bit scale. I have think so. It's fine for now. Okay. So you can take more models from here, like selecting this speaker and reduce its size. It's fine. Adjust it here. Press move to hold shift, and it's more fine. Adjust it here. Press W, so it's fine in here. Okay. Make it little bit here. It's more fine. You can duplicate, press Alt and just drag it here, and it's fine for now. Duplicate one more time. It's fine. Here. Press rotate tool. And duplicate it by holding Alt. It's fine here. I think so. There is some problem with this. There is some problem with this. Select it by holding this. Go for move tool, and it's more fun now. Okay, and select it, and from now delete and make it by selecting this. Go for the view, hold Alt, and then duplicate it. It's fine for now. Our scene is actually looking awesome. You can move these tools very closely. Like you can adjust more here. Select it, drag it. No, it's not more fine. I think select this, and this mic for now delete it. Select this mic, adjust its position. It's fine. Reduce its scale. Yes, and adjust it here. Go for move to little bit move. Okay, adjust it here. Yes, here. I think so that you have to adjust it here, and select this model, right, and just a little bit close, and select these two. No, I think so here. Okay, and drag them a little bit close. It's fine for now. go for here, so you can make your own custom animations by pressing this. It's fine. That's fine. You can make it in resolution channel 1, so you can rotate this plate. How you can rotate this, by select it and go for orientation, and you can see here on this plate, like it's revolving. Okay, so you can make here custom animations. We will make okay, when we will go for after completing our scene. So you can adjust here more models, which models you want, wherever you want. Hold control for selecting this piano and go here and adjust on ground. It was not on ground. So you can see by like this, like it's not on ground. For now, select it and make it on ground. And other than all things are on ground. So it's fine for now. Our scene is almost ready. So it's fine. You know that by holding space you can make your move your scene, and just by pressing click you can see like right or left. Okay, so it's almost final. You have to make some on background. You can select this sorry, plan model. You go for here and go for down, make select it and control D for this is rotate for now, and go for rotate to hold shift and make it like this. Okay, go for move tool and make it here. It's fine for now, and it's fine. You can make different you can change the wall color like this. It's fine too, and you can make some totally wooden style. You can select. Can even make tiles like this. It's fine too. Go for bricks. No, I think so. Bricks are not looking good. You have to select some metal color. No, it's not good. It's little bit good actually. It's fine actually. Yes. Now go for, can make some dark color too. No, 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 it's more fine actually. Yes. And now you can make them duplicate by select this, hold control D for duplicate, and go for rotate to, hold shift, make it 90-degree, go for move tool and adjust it here. Okay, and hold alt, sorry, and place it here. Now it's our stage is ready. So now scene is almost ready. You can make you have to now select some environment if you want. If you don't want, then just go for lighting. I think so. I have to place this model here. Select it. Sorry. Go for scale reduce and adjust it here. Go for tone. Adjust it here. Okay. I think I don't need this thing for now. Seems looking good without it. Okay, and select these prompts, reduce scale, make it here on ground, place it here. More scale reduce. It's fine for now. Go for move to little bit here and little bit here. Place it and little bit. Reduce scale. So you can make place more things here, this thing. You can, sorry, that it's actually DG. Place it here. I think it's go for scale, reduce scale. Go for move tool by pressing E, so you can see these things easily on camera. Okay. It's rotate it on by holding shift and rotate on. No, by holding shift. Yes, it's fine now. Select it here and reduce its size. Go for move tool. It's fine, it's fine. You can place more things here, you can place this guitar here and select it and little bit rotate it in this direction. It's fine. Go for move tool, reduce its size, and go for here. Go for here actually. It's fine for now. Place it here. Go for move tool. So you can adjust its direction. Okay. And place them here. So you can use all these things. Okay, one thing missing, I think so we should have to use a globe. Where is globe? Where is globe actually? I think so. I think so. This is globe actually. It's fine. You can reduce its scale and you can scene should be in center. You have some chain to adjust it with the actually ceiling. You can make these walls on ceiling like how you can make ceiling like just control select it by pressing model, hit control D for duplicate it, go for move tool, hold shift and make it like this. Go for move tool just here. So you have this awesome ceiling on your behalf. Got it? You can make like by selecting this and it's hold shift and select this, hold shift, select this, just make some more beautiful like in this way. It's good. And select this plane model over ground, drag it here actually. It's more fine now. So go for this plane model and drag it here actually on this surface. Now go close look. It's awesome now. You have to adjust this ball, select some chain, and if you don't have chain you can select like motion design pack and write chain. If you don't have motion design pack, I will make tutorial about motion design pack and I will give you this. For now you can use any chain here, like select it and go for move tool, shift, hold shift and rotate it, go for W, adjust it. Close look. So it's not fine for now, it's will be fine. Adjust it here. It's fine now. Now I hold control, select this thing, this disco ball, select this disco ball, go for this, it's fine, go for custom animation and make it in channel 2. So you can see you can rotate this ball, okay, like in this direction. Yes, it's, I can adjust it a little bit here. Oh, sorry, make it orientation. It's fine for now. Okay. It's fine. Actually, it's fine for now. And go hit OK. So your scene is almost ready. Little bit wait. Yes, the scene is ready. Now go for right click, take new camera, and make it 35mm. It's fine for now. For now, don't enable depth of field. So it's fine for now. Okay. So you have no camera. Press C for camera tools and adjust your scene. Actually, like in this direction. So now you can make your camera movements, and before camera movements I have to make some like custom animations. I like go for element and go for custom, go for group one, or everything is in group one. Go for part auxiliary channels and go for channel one. Go for rotation. If you remember about the rotation of this disc which you have in this box, go for C so you can see your plate here. Press C for zoom to, like this thing. Plate is not adjust on top. First we have to make its Y position. It's fine for now. And I'll go for rotation, and you have to check like this is fine rotation. Make it 0. Go for here first frame and make it Y rotation. Go for last frame and make it it's fine. Oh, I think so. It's fine. You can see it's fine. Now go for your second channel. Close channel 1, go for channel 2, and here you can see the rotation. Go for first frame and make it keyframe on Y rotation, and till end you have to like I'm revolving this globe. Okay, I think so. It's fine. I have to check it. Its speed is too much, so we have to reduce its speed. I think so. Maybe it's good. Its speed for now. Speed must be slow. Still, it's fast. Now check it. It's a little bit good, but it should have to make it more realistic. You have to slow its speed more. It's good. It's enough speed. You can make even more, reduce its speed, so you have better scene. So after this you have to adjust now some lights. Go for C, make some zoom out. Okay, adjust your scene, just your actually master scene. This is your master scene, like frontal camera. You can see it. So you have to adjust it on. You have to adjust everything. Remember everything. I think so. It's enough for now. It's center actually. You can see this plate. You can see this ball globe actually. So everything is in perfect condition. Now go for light, neon, take neon light, make it ambient light, and I think so make it white. Okay, hit okay. So you have see some structure here. Ambient light is basically the ambient light is for actually a light on every object of your scene. Now go for again your light and make it spotlight. For now it's wide and 90. Cone angle is fine. Cone feather is 20. Okay. Cast shadows. For now I think so. I don't need shadows. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Press V for normal tool. Selection tool actually it's not a normal tool. You can adjust by pressing here. So you don't have arrows. If you select this photo, you have arrows. You can adjust it on your You can adjust more, better. Select on like an empty screen of your any chair here or here. So you can now grip this light actually, and you can see, you can adjust your light here. Okay, from here you can adjust its angle where you want to throw your light. This and actually you can make it, I think so I have to reduce its cone size, cone angle. It's more better now. So select it. I think it's fine. But now I have to duplicate its spotlight, and sorry. Select its light and select its angle. Actually, I have to select its angle. So we have on both sides and same lighting. Now, now scene is this actually. Light is good. You can, if I switch off this ambient light, then it's more better. You can see I have switched this ambient light off. So you can adjust your scene more, like go for again light and make it spot, but color should be warm. Okay, like this color, it's much better. Hit okay, economy must be reduced, it's fine. You can adjust this light in center. Okay, and it's fine, it's fine for now. Now go for again light. Okay, make it spotlight, and color should be little more warm. Okay, remember a little more warm, and select this light. I'll want this angle on actually this location, and from this location make it here actually. Oh, sorry. Select this light. It's fine. Select it and the intensity make high. Okay. It's fine for now, and go for hair and go for light intensity. Press hold alt and click here and write uh, expressions here, like wiggle. So you can select here wiggle and type like 10 times and 100 times. So we'll see now what we have got. And I want like this on this direction too. So select it and make it duplicate and select it here and go for here. That angle should be here on this direction actually. So now check what we have got. It's Awesome. You can make more lighting here. Actually, light will make your scene actually good. And for now, select make it ambient light switched on. It's fine. It's awesome. Actually, it's awesome when you have camera moments. You can see your scene will be more powerful. And now go for gain light and oh, sorry. Go for new light actually. Make it parallel light and its color must be reduced to this. You can use any of these colors, whichever you want. Okay, whichever you want. Remember, you can see your bright. Select it and make it white here. Okay, select it here. I don't want. You can adjust its transform by pressing like here. Go for first frame, select keyframe, go for transform, and make it position and point of interest, and at last it's should be here. So what we have got, you can see this light moving, and it's a parallel light. So it's good. You can make it more realistic by make some more lighting, go for, I'm sorry, go for light, make it spotlight, go for hair, and make it little bit this type of light. Sorry. Okay, you will see what we have got and you will enjoy actually your scene. And you can see the shadow of the pink light here. We can adjust it more actually. So that's why I have made this light. Okay, so reddition, it's on black, it's always awesome. Remember about that. That reddish tone on black looks always awesome. You can see the reddish shadow. We can duplicate this light so that actually we can adjust this light in this direction too. Okay, sorry, apologies for the repetition of this thing actually. Oh, what the hell. Okay, you can see already shown here. You can see the tune is here, but I want this tune, surface. So you can see here reflection on this cube. What we have got now, you can see. You can make this light again the wiggle expression. You can type on intensity. You can even change its colors to like in like select. You can see this like you can change colors on every 1 second. Okay, by pressing here keyframe, like keyframe here, and after 1 second you want this like that little this thing. Okay, now on the third second you want this light a little bit dark, and 4 second you want this color like entirely change. You want this color. Okay, on a 4 second you want like an entirely again different color, and 5 seconds you want again entirely different color like blue shade. In 6 seconds you want like again red color. 7 seconds you want greenish, actually greenish. Okay, so you can see what you seen got for now. You can see the different colors. You can see here the colors are changing, but it's more actually realistic look. Okay, uh, and you can make its intensity like by holding Alt and press here and type wiggle and make it 15 by 150 actually. Okay, a little bit more realistic. Yes, it's, you can see the spot. It's here, like it's actually like this globe is throwing lights in here. But you can down it. It's too much more. Reduce. Make it 50 and make it 10. Enter. Now see what you have got. It's now good. Okay, here your scene is now ready. Now you just have to make some camera movements. It's too easy. You can make it more realistic and different. Like for now, I'm adding this adjustment layer and apply it by control on space by for switch on the FX console, and you can type here curves, select them, and make it like here and make it here. It's scene is, you can see a scene is awesome. Make it more dark. It's actually close to reality. You can make more like go for element layer and control it, go for render settings. You can make some shadows like by enabling shadows. You can like ambient gloom may enable the ambient gloom. You can see here when you switched off, it's and when you switched on, it's close to reality. Okay, and don't change these things if you don't know. If you know, then it's good. Then you can change. Go for fog if you want for more realistic, but down the opacity of fog. Okay, actually don't need fog, but sometimes you need fog. Okay, you can make it. It's good. You can see the difference of darkness in our scene. Now our scene is actually good, and now you have to make some camera movements. For now it's our master scene, so I just have to make one scene in this comp. I will use different comp to make some different camera movements. So I don't have to change this original comp. So for comp 1, go for project window, select comp 1 and duplicate it, control D, and rename it with the, by pressing here, rename it with the, like you can type here master scene. Okay, and select it, control D again, and rename it with the scene 1. Okay, select and control D for scene 2, control D for scene 3. We have these four scenes for now. I think so it's enough. Now go for master scene. Here you have master scene, and make one more comp. Sorry, stopping you here. Make rename it with the like our render comp or final comp actually. Hit OK. Okay, now go for our master scene. Our master scene should be the opening and the closing scene, you can see it. So here, select your camera, select the transform options. Okay, make all these layers like I'm hiding all these layers. You know how I hide this? If you don't know, then you should have to know I switched this. This is shy layer, okay? I switched that off shy layer, and when I switch on shy layer, all the layers which I have switched on the shy layer mode will be hide. And if you want to see, you just have to click here. You can see all your shy layers, okay? So now I have two layers on in this comp only, so I can easily make my camera movements because I don't want to change now my any like you can say any I don't want to change any of my scene for now. Now I have to make some unnecessary camera movements, make some scene, make some close look here, so like more close look here actually, make it here, make it more close look, make it more close look. It's little bit fine. You can add more lights here if you want, but for now it's okay. You can make more close look here. So I have to make scene now. Now switch it. If you don't know how you to use camera movements, camera movements actually, and keyframes. So you have to create your own null object from new here. It's a null object and parent it with it's a parent link. If you don't see parent link, you can like right click here and right click here and you can see here your parent link. Okay, for now I'm not going in this discussion. If you parent it with your camera null object, and you can adjust your now null just simple like it's actually this is actually position and this is scale and whatever you want. Okay, for now I'm controlling Z, and I'm deleting this null object because I don't want to use null object. It's only you have to null object, you have to use on null object if you don't have much practice on this camera movements. You have to center it. Okay, it's center your globe, it's fine. Now go for point of interest and keyframe on everything. It's remember it's better. You don't have to for now keyframe on an adaptive field. Zoom is on only just zoom and all your transform functions. For better camera movements, you can easily make. Now you have to decide on which seconds, how much seconds you want to use for your comp. I want to use only 4 seconds or 5 seconds or 5 seconds. That's okay. Now go first. Your camera tool, zoom out some. So zoom out, zoom out, make it here, make it here actually. Much zoom out. No, actually here. Not as much. It's your master scene actually. You can make more realistic here. So you can see now what we have got. I have got this scene. Okay. So you can make some speedy. Like select this keyframe and make it on 3 seconds. Now you can see what I have got. Yes, I have got this. Okay, it's our scene one, and go for now. It's actually master scene. Go for scene one here, and now you have to again switch on these spoilers and hide them all, and go for camera, go for transform. First you have to select your object which you want to make, like this, switch is on, and rotate it here. Sorry. No, it's fine. Now select them all, keyframe on all, and go for zoom 2. Okay, now go for on master scene I have made 3 seconds, and scene 1 should be on 3 seconds. Okay, here 3 seconds, and now just zoom out. So what we have got, it's fine. And this keyframe you have to just press N for control, for close these things actually. Master scene you should have to press N, so you have this. Okay, now scene 1 is ready, and now go for scene 2 actually. Here you have master com again, switch on the shy layer and switch them off so you can make easily the camera movements. So go for here. Now simple is that we have to it's fine for now. Now you have to just keyframe on all these things. Okay, zoom, go for 3 seconds, and little bit zoom out like this. Now press this thing and just turn on full screen. just this box actually. Focus on this box, okay? Little bit here. No, it's fine. Now check what you have got. It's fine. Press U for keyframe. Press here. Press N. It's actually okay. Now go for here. One thing I forgot to tell you that on every scene, just go for actually camera and go for enable your depth of field. So you have more actually, like you can see that more adjust it like it's fine. So now don't if you want to more accurate actually the scene, you have to switch it on. For now it will heavy your system. So when you making your final projects, you have to switch it on the every camera depth field. Okay. For now, I'm not on switched on. Now go for scene 3. You can make here like you can focus this thing. Okay. So just actually go for here and press hide them all your okay try layer, sorry. Now zoom in and camera scene, actually I want this thing in focus. Okay. You can make some custom animations here if you want. I have to check this model for this. Select element layer, go for scene setup, and you can just this custom here. Open it. I think it's a single piece. Okay. Uh, it's fine now. You can now make some camera movements here, select all them, okay, and zoom to, and go for 3 seconds, like always we do in some or other scenes. Let's zoom out and show your scene 2 and make it here actually. Let's see what we have got. Yes, it's, you can see this lighting actually. It's also make it and yes, it's awesome. Now you can see you adjust your scenes more accurately. You can speed your camera direction. You can adjust enable your depth of field. Now go for master scene. Okay, now master scene not so final comp. Now go for project window. Drag your master scene here, and it's fine after 3 seconds when your scene is ready actually. Go from master scene here. It's okay. It's fine. Now go for your final comp, and it's your one scene. Now go for some go for neo and solid. Hit OK and sorry, select your solid. Control Shift Y actually for solid settings. Make it white. Flicker. Can see it. CKBR. Okay, and it's okay. Now go your original comp. Select your flicker layer. Like after 3 seconds, you can see here when the scene is ready. Yes. Okay. Adjust it here. Make it just one frame. Yes. Now I drag your scene one. Sorry. Drag your scene one here and select it here by holding this thing. If you don't want to use, then just select and delete it. Okay, now make your scene 2. It's simple. Now go again for 3 seconds long when its scene is ready. And then this, then scene 3. Sorry. Make it here, make it again. The 6 seconds, it's actually the 9 seconds. Go for control settings, make it 12 seconds long. Hit OK. Okay, for complete your. It's actually a minute. Okay. Make it here for your final actually. Opening and closing scene here. And press here and so what you got. Okay, guys. So now you got your full project. You can adjust your scenes with music cuts and you can make some background music. So you can make now your own opener. It's a very unique opener for your music programs. You can make some different things here. You can make some different lights. You can make some different light. Different scenes here. So if you want more videos like this, please stay tuned on Mac Animation, and I will publish more tutorials like this in future. Please stay tuned. This is Mac Animation.